At AGCO, we feed the world. It's our continuous search for ways to help farmers succeed in bigger yields and safer, more sustainable farming techniques, and in supporting local farmers from within their communities to achieve their goals. We are the leader in our industry, but our power isn't limited to the capabilities of our machines. It's in our size and scale, in our knowledge of best farming practices and our desire to empower farmers worldwide. Through our on-the-ground support, we pass on expertise that we have spent years acquiring and developing, expertise we can now pass on to help emerging markets move quickly into the future, expertise that will empower African farmers. We have chosen Zambia as the hub from which we'll begin supporting the African farmers, big and small. Its central location makes it accessible to all African countries. And with its long-established tradition of farming, Zambia is a country where we could have an immediate local and regional impact. With little political interference and a culture open to committed business partnerships, Zambia is an ideal location. It's home to our first African-based AGCO Academy, a bricks-and-mortar training center where we'll do so much more than sell tractors. It's where we'll support farmers. Training in the Zambian Academy begins in the classroom for end users, both potential and those with equipment already on the ground. The Academy will train all there is to know about tractors, implements, and harvesting machines. Consumers will learn everything from sitting in the seat for the first time to sustainable farming practices. In addition, they'll also learn ways to bring their crops to market and how to finance new equipment responsibly. Potential customers will also learn about AGCO programs to lease equipment as an entry into mechanized farming. These same classrooms will hold classes for AGCO distributors as well. While covering the fundamental tractor machinery and sustainable farming practices, these classes will also offer sales and service and advanced technical solutions training, all designed to prepare distributors to service and support their local farmers. But classroom theory is only the beginning. From the classroom, students get the opportunity to apply what they've learned in the fully equipped mechanical bays. This is the hands-on practical training where technicians can take apart transmissions, see the inner workings of a hydraulic system, calibrate equipment, or even service an engine. In these well-equipped mechanical bays, farmers and tractor drivers with new equipment, as well as those with machines already working, have the chance to get dirty. They'll learn skills that will ensure their tractors keep performing in the fields and that farmers get maximum performance from their machinery in all conditions. The model farm, a 100-hectare plot on the Academy's grounds, is another real-life lab, a visible application of the theory and practical training they've acquired inside. It will feature a patchwork of sample crops, all planted, maintained, and harvested by AGCO equipment. The fields will offer students the opportunity to test drive new equipment and to see firsthand how technology can lighten their workload, improve their yields, and make operations simpler. Of interest to bigger farmers is an adjacent large-scale commercial farming block. It too will feature crops serviced by AGCO equipment. But most importantly, it allows us to be of service within the farming community we are serving. Africa alone is projected to have a population of 2 billion by the year 2050, with 60% of that population being urbanized. Fewer farmers feeding an even larger population means a greater than ever need for a modernized approach to agriculture. Africa needs our expertise. They needed to close the current capabilities gap, and they needed to feed themselves. We've listened carefully to farmers' needs, their ideas, and their requests. We want to be a part of the future of Africa's food supply, and we believe we have what it takes. We are the first on location in Zambia with this concept. We have the size and strength to deploy machinery and support farmers with AGCO training and personnel. We are committed to real support, tangible and relevant, continuous and long-term. At AGCO, we are committed to seeing our farmers succeed, and that's feeding the world.